Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to post status on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. You will see your chat list. Tap on the status from the top menu bar. Now, tap on the camera icon, or you can just tap on My Status if you haven't posted anything on WhatsApp. Your camera will open. Click the photo you want to send or select the photo from your gallery. Then tap on the send icon. This screen will pop up if it is your first time posting status on WhatsApp. Otherwise, it will directly post your status. Tap on send from the screen, and you will post your status on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to post your status on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.